Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss about how we can hire influence marketing experts in influencer marketing services. Influencer marketing services on fiverr.com. Influencer marketing. Grow your brand with the top help influencer and marketing experts. Influencer marketing in 2022. E-commerce insights on the go. How we can build a powerful influencer marketing strategy in 2022. What is influencer marketing? Influencer marketing is the way brands can promote their product through endorsements of recommendations from influencers and content creators on the internet. Social media and blogs are home to the majority of influencers, although other creators like postcard hosts and can fit the bill too many times. Influencer marketing is a part of brand awareness campaigns, but it can also result in planned in conversion of sales. While influencers marketing began back in 2006, it has changed a lot for the past 15 years. It's kind of influencer marketing by the numbers. 9 of 10 brands are using some form of influencer marketing, generate an equivalent earned media. For reason why influencer marketing will continue to grow. More people are becoming influencers. Influencer marketing agencies are growing in popularity. There are more content options. Influencers are showing more their reality. Promote their store. I hope you understand. Subscribe our channel and press the bell notification icon. You never miss any update from our channel. Thanks for watching.